Appreciate Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee, naturally. For me, it's like the essence of life. Anyway, today I want to introduce you to Fantom with the token FTM and the staking word that the APR actually is around 33%. And also to describe the technology and all the consensus, what is Fantom, etc. And also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Take action, just press subscribe to have more great content of this kind. It will help me to grow and monetize this channel. Okay, let's go jump to the main subject of this vlog today. Fantom FTM on CoinGecko. As you can see, the price is pretty cheap. One token, 0.001. But when the price is so low, it means that the circulating supply is really high. Actually, it's about 2.4 million of a total reward of 3.1 billion. It's a lot of token, as you can see, available on the free market. And as you can see, if, for example, I want to invest 10,000 FTM, it will cost me $135. Okay, let's go jump to the main page of Fantom. Fantom, what is Fantom? Fantom is really built. Fantom is a blockchain ecosystem designed to help you focus on real-world solutions to real-world problems with no compromise. And as well, what is great, Afghanistan use Fantom to battle counterfeit drugs. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Speed, security, and scalability. Fantom ABFT Consensus protocol can power any blockchain with unparalleled speed, security, and reliability. Pretty cool. Fast transfer just like it should be. Instead of waiting long time, forever, like on Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example, at the moment with the gas fee, instead of waiting long confirmation, transactions on Fantom are instant and secure. I just read is about 2 seconds for confirmation time. It's pretty cool, my friend. Simply secure. Fantom Consensus mechanisms easy secure the network through validator located around the world, my friend. Modular and connected. Run your own customized blockchain that is connected to one ecosystem. Estimate your. This is I want to emphasize. You can earn staking record by securing the network. It's that easy. You can even just stake 1 FTM if you want. But 1 FTM is about 1 cent. Just take 1 FTM. So you're going to make 33% of 1 cent. You're not going to be rich, but it's cool to test the water at least. So as you can see, for example, I want to test with the minimum 10 FTM. I'm going to make usually 3 FTMs. If you want to invest, I don't know, 10,000, let's say 75,768, you're going to make 25,078. For example, if you want, what's the value of 25,000 actually? It's about $337. It's pretty cool. 30%. If you invest 1 million, you make around 30%. You make a lot of money. Just to stake sometime is better than just to keep your money in the bank. But they have always some level of risk with cryptocurrency. We never know. Price can skyrocket or can decrease to the center of the earth, like we experienced in the last 2 years on the long bear market after the big hype of 2017 bull run. Consensus at your services. You can build the blockchain your envisions with no limit. Run your DApp blazing fast compared to previous technologies using your favorite SDK or VM. Learn the consensus work. I'm going to come later on other section of this vlog. Developer friendly. Start building on Fantom using its robust GraphQL and Web3GL API. Get your wallet, explorer, or data analysis tool and running, access the communication and connect with our developer community. So if you are a developer, this section might sound good for you. But for the average Joe like me, you need to learn the Graph API. When you get involved with development, you have to you need to know a lot. I need some coffee because my brain is burning a little bit. Okay, after to have talking about developer friendly, let's go jump to another interesting session. I'm going to describe, if I just finish that before to continue, powered by Fantom. Fantom innovative and open source ABFT consensus mechanism is the ID-based layers for all distributed ledgers. Opera chain. The Fantom mainnet with stake and EVM virtual machine support a super fast smart contract execution with transaction settlement and under 2 second confirmation time, my friend. 2 second you have an Opera. Imagine to build a game and just have to wait 2 seconds for introduction. This is an amazing experience, because when you are a gamer or something like that, or you want to send money, you want to have confirmation right away, not to wait 16 minutes like on a Bitcoin. But at least Bitcoin is secure as digital gold. But at least when you want to operate with, I don't know, you want to provide supply chain and you want to do other kind of, I don't know, healthcare data to secure data with the healthcare industry or supply chain, you need fast transactions confirmation time. 2 seconds, it can get mass adoptions when you bring that technology into the real world, my friend. So as you can see, they have many people that they use it, like Chainlink, Band Protocol, Kuti, and many more. What's new? So this is the blog. Okay, let's go jump to another sections. Intro to Fantom. Fantom is a high-performance, scalable, customizable, and secure smart contract platform, my friend. I need some coffee. I have a secret between you and me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press action. Take action now, my friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Crypto and coffee. Psh, it's a secret. So, it's designed to overcome a limitation of previous generation of blockchain technology. Fantom is permissionless, decentralized, and open source. Also, like I say, it's revolutionary ABFT consensus mechanism of Fantom. It's called Lenchensis. Allow Fantom to be much faster and cheaper than other technologies, yet extremely secure, and this is cool. You need to have always security in mind. Instead of centralizing all computing power and usage on one single decentralized ledger like Bitcoin, the user of Fantom ecosystem can deploy their own independent network. Why Fantom? Why you will say Fantom? Because they have many blockchain technology out there on this world. So I'm going to invite you to read that sections on intro to Fantom, because I don't want to read the whole thing. How does Fantom work? Fantom is modular. Lenchensis represents one layer, the consensus of the blockchain technology stack, and can be plugging into distribution ledger. Lenchensis, that the mechanisms of Fantom, power Fantom Opera mainnet deployment that use Ethereum virtual machine and its complexity with it's compatible with Ethereum. So it's pretty cool. If you have a DApp already on Ethereum, to put it on the Fantom, it's already built inside, so you can migrate right away. A fully fledged proprietary open source SDK, Fantom Virtual Machine is in work and will be released in 2020. So as you can see, they do a lot of development. Fantom is scalable. Each network built on Fantom is independent from one another. This is a good concept. The performance and stability are unaffected by traffic of congestion. So basically, when you build a DApp, you have your own environment and you can communicate with each own environment. It's like the network on Fantom, to have fasted transaction and not to have a bottleneck like on Ethereum network that everything's run on the mainnet. Sorry, I need some coffee. So Fantom is secure and environment friendly. Fantom is secure by proof of stake, unlike proof of work used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Proof of stake prevents centralizations and save electricity. And as well, Lenchensis can provide institutional grade security to distribute network. Fantom offer absolutely finality, which means that transaction can never be reverted like a network with probability, finality. This is cool. Confirmation time, 2 transactions, and you cannot revert a transaction. This is cool. I love the concept of, like I say, great Fantom offer, absolutely finality. I love that. So Fantom is open. This is cool. Fantom is open source. Fantom is open participation. If you want to know more, you can read all the content. Where is Fantom going? Fantom is based on latency, an innovative ABFT consensus. On top of that, we are creating a blockchain ecosystem along the world blockchain technology stack. We're building the infrastructure for more connected and efficient future where people will be able to take advantage of the technological breakthrough to improve the quality of their life. This is cool, my friend. I'm going to let you invite to read the rest. I'm going to jump into the next sections. So they want, DeFi is a hot trend right now, and everyone's replicate what is the hot trend on the decentralized finance, and they want to bring DeFi to Fantom. So DeFi on Fantom. Fantom offered the first DeFi stack. Well, at the moment is not available, coming soon. Built on ABFT consensus is much faster, cheaper, and more reliable and secure than its predecessor. On Fantom, you can use your FTM to mint FUSD, a stablecoin, and access the DeFi tools. So you buy it on the market, FTM, and you're going to mint. When you go on the DeFi, you're going to mint you stake your FTM, and you're going to mint the correspondent of 1-for-1 or 1 FUSD. And what is good with that? You can use FUSD to trade synthetic assets, so you have a representation of the value of Bitcoin, for example, or Ethereum, and you mint the representation synthetic asset with the Fantom. This is pretty cool. Trade synthetic asset or lend it to earn interest or borrow synthetic asset token. So get started instantly. Access DeFi right from your wallet. This is cool. Fully decentralized. You're always in control of your key. This is important. And can trade from your computer or personal device. Next gen's DeFi platform. Unlock trading transaction on Fantom almost instant and cost fraction of a penny. This is cool. Fraction of a penny to transact. This is amazing, my friend. We need you can build a DApp and just pay a fraction of a second to transact. This is amazing. Mine FUSD with Fmine. Fmine is a gateway with Fantom DeFi. Mine FUSD, a stable coin on Fantom, paying 1-for-1 for the USD price using your FTM token. Choose the amount you want to mint and rebalance at any time by removing FTM. Repay the FUSD you maintain at any time on the case you have to miss. So mine your FUSD using your FTM, 300 collateral ratio, rebalance at any time. Trade send on trade. 176 synthetic token including FBFT and FETH will be available, and probably more will come. Fully decentralized trading, no slippage, trading without leaving your wallet. This is amazing. You do all integrated in the wallet without need to have access to many sites or cumbersome the app out there. This is cool. I want to try it, but it's not available at the moment. Lend and borrow on FLM. This is really the basic of decentralized finance. Put your FTM and FUSD to work for you. Trade with borrowing synthetic. What's the process? You deposit your FTM to your wallet. You mine FUSD with your FTM, and then you use your FUSD to trade, lend, and borrow. Pretty straightforward process. This will give you open to decentralized finance with a fast blockchain with confirmation time with 2 seconds, and the cost for half of the penny for the fee to transact over the Fantom blockchain network. Ready for DeFi? Yes, but it's not available. Let's go jump to the next section. What is Lachezy? Lachezy, it's Fantom ABFT consensus algorithm. Simply put, a consensus mechanism is the engine and the power the blockchain. This is cool. Compared to classical and Nakamoto consensus, Lachezy is faster, more scalable, and more secure choice. I will not go in the deep of consensus because this is really technical, and I will invite you to read it more about this on the technical paper of the white paper of the Fantom. But at least the launches I want to emphasize the asynchronous participant have the freedom to process comment at different time. Leaderless, nor participant play a special role. This is cool. You don't need to have centralization. We need to have decentralization in mind. So it's leaderless. Byzantine fault tolerant. Support 1/3 of faulty node, including malicious behavior. Final. Launches output can be used immediately. There is no need to wait for block confirmation, transaction, and confirm in 1 or 2 seconds. This is cool. So what you need to remember, launches is the consensus mechanism of Fantom that they call it commonly ABFT. Why launches? Why is a consensus algorithm? Nakamoto consensus, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, ABFT, launches consensus, all those launches work. It's very technical. What APR and launches. I'm going to invite you to read it. You can access it here directly on the main page. When you click get started, you're going to have access to the consensus. Go read it, my friend. And in the meantime, I need some coffee. And please don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Press the button, subscribe. You're going to just spend half of a fraction of calorie, and you will be able to access great content of this kind from Shea Satoshi. Okay, let's go jump to the next sections. I covered the launches, that is the consensus mechanisms of Fantom. What is Fantom Opera? Opera is a secure and fast environment to build decentralized finance applications. It's fully permissionless and open source, powered by Fantom ABFT consensus algorithm. It leverages speed and fast finality. And it's really, like I say, fast finality is the concept of immediate confirmation transactions when you make a transaction on Fantom Opera. Fantom Opera is the blockchain with the mainnet of Fantom. The Fantom Opera mainnet is compatible with Ethereum virtual machine and provide full smart contract support through Solidity. So if you have a DApp, you can use Fantom. You can migrate easily. We designed Opera to overcome the limitation of older generation of blockchain, keeping the compatibility with Ethereum for seamless DApp porting. So you porting and you transfer it to the Fantom, and you have access to great feature like finality, immediate finality. That's a concept. Fast finality, I mean. That's confirmation on 1 or 2 seconds, and as well that when you transact, it costs you half of penny. Leaderless proof of stake. So as you can see, this technology use proof of stake. So you can stake your FTM to make around 30% at the moment in profit. So as you can see, leaderless proof of stake. Fast finality, this is a cool concept that the confirmation time is between 1 and 2 seconds. EVM compatibility and Solidity compiler support. So it's fully compatible with the technology of Ethereum. So if you want to migrate or you want to be exposed on 2 blockchain, so you'll be able to tap into a new market and port your the app over the Fantom and remain on Ethereum, or completely migrate if you want. Open sources today, it's very important, especially on the decentralized world. People expect to be able to review the code and have access to the code, so you can check the open source code. So accurate OPM FTA. So you can, so I'm going to cover that in a later section of this vlog, my friend. And in the meantime, small actions. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. I need some coffee. FTM staking, Earth staking reward. Fantom use proof of stake consensus algorithm to validate transactions and secure the network. You can participate by staking your FTM An exchange you are rewarded with FTM token to stake. You don't need any particular hardware or device. You can do it directly from your phone or PC. Pretty straightforward. Install the PWA wallet desktop or mobile. Transfer your FTM to an exchange or ECR wallet to your Opera address. Choose a reputable validator and click on stake. That's it. And then as soon you put even just 10 FTM, you're going to make 3 FTM on yearly, but it's better at 1 cent the cost of each FTM right now. Go with, I don't know, 1,000 or 10,000. So even with 10,000, you're going to make 270 FTM. It's pretty cool, huh? What is staking? Staking is pretty straightforward. You lock your token, and for this purpose, you get rewarded, because when you lock your coin, you cannot use it. It's a very straightforward process. And a lot of projects out there use this mechanism of you stake and get reward. You make interest, so you can make mine governance token. They have a variety of services you can access to build your crypto well with staking. In that case, that interests me is to generate current APY 33%. This is really sexy for me. So if I want to invest $100, I'm going to make 30% or 33% without doing any effort. And it's pretty straightforward to stake in this. You just download the wallet, stake your token, and then voila, you don't have anything more to do. So the reward schedule network will be as follow. So the early adapter get access to 260.5 APR, but now actually is about 33% was on average. So per percentage return for a given amount of FTM is taken in the network. So it's better just to focus on the current APY at the moment instead to focus on that data. Becoming a Fantom validator. If you want to provide validation, you can make more money that way. You need at least to have 3,175,000 token stacked for it to become a validator. So people can delegate. If you are the technical background to do so, you can become a Fantom validator and access to more well, but you need to build your servers, and this is costly on monthly basis. But if you can make a profit and they cover you the cost to build your server or virtual machine or virtual servers, yeah, I think it's a good way to build your wealth in the crypto spheres. Let's go jump to the next sections. The FTM. What is FTM? FTM is the primary token on the Fantom network. FTM is used for securing the network through staking, for governance, for payment, and for fee. What is FTM used for? Securing the network, payment, on-chain governance, network fees. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. If you want to see, go check. So incentivize to stake and increasing value for proof of stake. So you stake your coin and you get reward, and you secure the network as well. So the FTM supply, the total supply of FTM is about 3.170 billion FTM. 2.1 billion are currently in circulation, while the remainder is reserved for staking reward. So probably this will be for a long term. But as you can see, the reward mechanisms come from the supply of the amount. But this is the limited in time, so it's a good time to accumulate this token and make a profit and sell it on the market. My aim is to buy FTM and stake it for a while and collect the 33% and sell it and probably stake it on other project out there. But I love so far what I read with this technology. How to buy FTM, how to store FTM. I'm going to check on the last section of this vlog. But as you can see, it's very limited, 3.175 billion. And now they have already released 2.1 billion. So you can buy it on the free market. So where to buy your FTM? Fantom token is available on all the major cryptocurrency exchanges. Make sure to use the bridge when transferring to your Opera wallet. Binance, BitMax, KuCoin, BigBox, OKEx, BigC, Delta Exchange, and Coin1. So you have plenty of trading exchange where you can acquire this sexy token FTM, where you can make 33% APY, my friend. I need some fresh coffee to stimulate my brain. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. One Actions. And the official wallet, the Fantom wallet. Store, stake, and send your FTM. Pretty cool. Safe and secure. Easy to use. Earn crypto reward. Let your FTM work for you. Stake your FTM to secure the network and get rewarded in return. This is one to emphasize. 33% APR. Create your FTP wallet right now. macOS, Windows, download. And you support as well the mobile. So it's pretty fun. And the roadmap, Fantom 2000 roadmap, introductions. I'm just going to just go fast. So as you can see, they have a lot of ongoing. And what is cool is the section of DeFi. I will not go especially because they have so much technical information. They need probably to put a guideline, but as you can see, it's a team that seems to work a lot to make it a great project for the crypto spheres. And they have a great technology, great features that we need to use to build great. They have over a blockchain technology like gains, so supply chain that we need fast transaction immediately. And you have the concept of finality that you have the confirmation of 1 or 2 seconds. And it's pretty cool. And if you want to migrate from the existing Ethereum to our Fantom, it's pretty straightforward. In the meantime, if you enjoy this kind of content, take action right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Come visit my awesome website, CC86.com, and have a great week ahead. Have a great Monday. Have a great week on the coming weeks. See you on the next vlog video. Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee.